In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create promotions on Printify. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to boost sales or attract new customers to their online store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video because I have plenty of other tips coming your way. Now, let's dive directly into the process of creating promotions on Printify. First things first, before you can create promotions, make sure you have an account set up on Printify and that you've designed your products. Printify is an affiliate tool that connects with various e-commerce platforms, so you will need to have your store operational to smoothly integrate promotions. Once you're all set up, log into your Printify account. The dashboard is where you'll manage pretty much everything, including your promotions. If you haven't yet, explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the different options available. You'll find tabs for products, orders, and even settings. To get started with your promotions, look for a section labeled Promotions or something similar. In various updates, this may vary a bit, but generally, it's prominently displayed. Click on that section and take a moment to understand what types of promotions Printify allows. You might see options for discounts, seasonal promotions, or maybe even special events you can capitalize on. Let's discuss the types of promotions you can create. A common one is a percentage discount on selected items. If you want to entice customers to buy, offering a 10% or 20% discount could really motivate them. Additionally, another effective strategy is free shipping promotions. Shoppers love free shipping, and it can often be the deciding factor in a sale. Now that you've decided on the type of promotion you want to offer, it's time to create it. Click on the Create Promotion button. You'll likely find a form where you need to fill in some details. First, select the type of promotion you're offering from the options available. If you've chosen a percentage discount, be sure to specify the exact percentage off, and remember, you can set limits. For example, you can offer 20% off only for the first 50 customers or for a limited time only. Be explicit about the timeline for the promotion, as creating urgency often drives quicker decisions by potential buyers. Next, name your promotion. This will help you keep track of everything on your end and ensure you don't create redundant promotions. Keep it catchy yet clear. You want customers to immediately understand what they're gaining. Perhaps something like Summer Sale 20% off will grab attention and briefly communicates the offer. Don't forget to select the products that this promotion will apply to. You can choose specific items or perhaps a whole collection. The options should be clear, and it's crucial to double-check that you're attaching the promotion to the correct products. This will avoid any confusion for your customers and ensure that they can take advantage of your promotions seamlessly. Once you've filled out the necessary information and attached the promotion to the desired products, review everything one last time. Check the discount amounts, the product selections, and especially the timeline for validity. Once you feel confident that everything is accurate, hit the Publish or Save button to make your promotion live. After you've published your promotion, I recommend sharing it with your audience. Utilize social media, send out newsletters, or even consider paid ads if your budget allows. Your customers need to know about these amazing deals. Finally, always analyze the performance of your promotions. Printify often provides insights that can help you understand how well your promotions are doing compared to your usual sales. Tweak and modify your strategy based on what you find. Doing so will help you refine future promotions for better results. And there you have it. You've successfully created a promotion on Printify that can attract new customers and drive sales. Remember, testing and experimenting with what works best for your audience is key. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more insightful videos.